Hey guys, Team Stacie here. So today I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. So first I started with a full face of makeup, and if you like this look, I'll link this tutorial up above. But I'm going to go ahead and remove my makeup with a makeup wipe. And typically I use about 2 wipes to remove as much makeup as possible. So today's video is in collaboration with MIXEASY. I ordered this skincare system because I've really been needing to improve my technique. This actually comes with 5 brush heads, and the first one that we're using is going to be the exfoliant. I take my Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser, and then I go ahead and apply that to my skin, and it's going to look really nasty. The exfoliator is literally pulling all the makeup wipe left behind. So now I'm going to use a different brush head, and this one is going to be the cleanser one. It's more soft, less abrasive than the exfoliating brush head, and this is actually just going to gently clean my skin. Then I'm going to pat dry my face with a clean towel. And make sure you're patting and not rubbing. I'm going to go ahead with my deep cleaning agent, and this is a toner, and I'm going to apply that to a face pad. Then I'm going to rub that across my skin. And I literally love toning. I don't know what it is, but my skin just looks so clean and so glowy after I tone. And make sure you take your time and you reach all areas, and then you want to fan dry it down. Alright guys, so next I'm going to take my Dual Action Moisturizer, and this is step 3 of my skincare kit that you can literally get from Walgreens, Walmart, Target. Literally not a 15-step routine. Super simple, super inexpensive. After I dry down my moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead with another product from MIXEASY, which is going to be my face mask. I was able to create my own face mask, y'all. So when you order your face mask, you can customize it to suit your skin. So when you hover over the ingredients that's in the website, it's going to tell you what it's used for. So personally in my mask, it has linden. It's like a tree extract, and it told me that it helps with brightness. And then it also has propolis extract, which nourishes my skin and also softens it. It does look like a moisturizer. It doesn't like dry down or get hard. It doesn't peel, doesn't really do any of that. So it does look like a moisturizer, which I was a little skeptical, but it did leave my skin very soft and nourished. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and take my Ancient Cosmetics facial serum, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a few drops to my skin. And I'm just going to rub that into my skin, and make sure you're taking your time massaging all products into your skin. This is supposed to be your you time. Play some music and just feel good while you're doing it. I'm going to exfoliate my lips. I use my toothbrush. You honestly can exfoliate your lips after you brush your teeth. And then I'm going to go in with my Aquaform, and this is like a deep treatment just because exfoliating is very abrasive and you want to make sure that you are bringing back moisture. And that's pretty much it for my skincare routine. Super simple, super easy. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.